Hello guys, and this is ninth day of my vlogging in Egypt. And today, our video is gonna be not anything special, but I'll again show you fish. Then I'll show you swimming pool we have in my hotel, which is Grand Rotana, by the way. And yeah, that's it, I guess. And I hope you will enjoy it because our hotel is really pretty, and yeah, it's really beautiful. Everything, as you can see, everything here is really nice.
الوحيدة اللي غلطتها في حياتي. أنا لما رحت كانوا
Что буду говорить? And now I'm in jacuzzi. Yeah, and I don't know if swimming pool still works because soon it's gonna be closed. Yeah, but I wanted to go at this time when it's like sunset, so you can see that it is less sun here because it's really like hot here. Yeah. Yeah, but when it is sunset here, so everything is closed. Yeah, and I think soon lifeguards will come to banish us.
يلا لول يلا يلا давай давай.
Это видео. Видео.
Видео, хорошо.
Хорошо.
О, пошли. So now swimming pool is closed. As you can see, no one is swimming there. So only jacuzzi. Yeah, only I showed you jacuzzi. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Here I'll say bye to you. And yeah, you know the rest of stuff, like subscribe to my channel, like in this video and other stuff. And also I wanted to show you yeah, like here is say bye, but also I wanted to show you the restaurant where we always ate. I think it will be really interesting for you because we have many friends there. Not many, but like some friends there. So I don't know if they will be there because it's like their work. Yeah, but of course I would like to like make a video of them so that I could keep the memory of them, kind of like that. So yeah, let's see what we will have because how I like put it in PS. Okay, so here I'll say bye, but it's not total farewell. Okay.
Вот это салат из осьминога, видишь? Набирай сколько хочешь. Осьминожки попадаются.
И все, хватит.
Привет.
Guardamos